Alright, have you completed those two problems? Okay, so these two problems are given to solve. I hope you have completed. I'll solve now. I want you to look at the board, then you can verify answers, okay? So just look at the board. So it's 962 divided by 20. We have to use 20 table. 20 table is simple. 20 as a 96 you consider. 25 is we can't because 25 is 100. So 24 is that is 80. Okay, if you don't know, you write the tables in common and then so minus 6 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So it's 16, right? So take the next number down, that is 2, 162. 20 dash yes, 28 is 160. Okay, because 2 8s are 16, no? So 20 is 160. And if you subtract it, 2 will be the remainder and 48 is the quotient. So I hope you have done this correctly. Later you can check now. Let me solve that also. That is the last one. 787 divided by 18. 18 table we have to use. Now here it may feel difficult because the tables some of you don't know, I know that. So 18 table, consider 78. So any idea? 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, correct? Then yes, then it is like 90, which is not possible here. 18 fives are, so we have to consider 18 fours are. So it's 72. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 7 minus 7 is 0. So 6 remains and take the next number down, that is 7. 18 dash is 67. So just now we have said 18 fours are 72. So 18, yeah, 18 threes are, yes, 54. So 18 threes are 54. If you know tables, it is very simple, children. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 13 is the remainder here and this is the quotient. Now actually verification you have to do. There is no space, so I said to 1. But you can verify in your rough book if you find it's difficult. I mean, if you want to check your answers. These 4 I have done, so need not to check. Next 4 practice main. These 4 are your homework. Okay, you have to solve this in your textbook itself. No need of verifying. But if you want to check your answers, you can verify in the rough book. But I don't want you to verify. I mean, in textbook you need not to verify, but you can do it in your rough book. That's your wish. So this is how you can divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now 4-digit number is also same. Here 1 digit will be extra. The step will continue. Here you have stopped, no? There you have to take that number and you have to continue. There is nothing different. So division by a 2-digit number, that is, I mean division by of a 3 and 4-digit number by 2-digit number is same as this. Now we have completed this main now in the textbook. Next main is homework. Please open your textbook and mention your HW. Okay. And in the next page, again 4 problems are there. Not today. Next class I'll give it as homework. Again this is same. But the only difference is here in the dividend there are 4 digits. But the method is same. So in the next class I will send that. I mean I will solve that and I may give it you as homework in the next class. So classwork part will be sent, that is of 6.5. There are 3 main here. Second main I mean divide and verify here, and then practice and quick drill. So quick drill we are not going to solve because same time. First and second main I will solve and send with the verification. First and second I want you to solve it in your classwork. Okay, if possible first and second both main I'll send. There are 8 problems I'll send. If no, I'll send 1 main. I'll see and I'll send that. You have to do it in your classwork. So what is the book today? Homework is only these 4 problems in a textbook. Only division, no verification. But these 2 main you have to do it with the verification also. I have done already in the classwork. I'll show you. So yeah, this will be, this I'll be sending. So there are 4 pages are there. Both the mains I'll send. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here I have done, how I have done, see, a problem and verification here only down. I have not done problem here and verification here, because if you do like that, in one page only one problem will fit. You will do here, verify. Next problem you cannot solve here. So I have solved the problem on the top and down I have done the verification. and I have put a line, second problem I have solved here. So even you can follow the same procedure, okay. So this I'll be sending to the PDF form, and textbook part is your homework. So that's it about today's class. I hope the concept is clear. We have discussed the previous things what you have learned, that is division, simple division, verification and the formula we have done. And when there is a zero or when it is not possible to divide, we have to insert zero, that also we have revised. And then today we have learned division of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, and 4-digit is also same. So regarding that, homework also will be given. Homework is given, that is textbook part, and classwork will be sent after the class. I want you to write it in your classwork. Please make sure at least from today onwards, now this is second semester, right? So till now I don't know how we have done. Some they have completed their things in the holidays also, I know that, but now onwards don't do that. Whenever the work is given that day or by the next session, try to complete that day by the next day, at least by the next session, but don't keep it pending after, like, not today, next week I'll write, or next week I'll write. Then you have to sit before exam and you have to complete the notes. You'll ask us to send the notes from September, from October and all. Please don't do it, okay? So you make sure that you complete your work then and there, so it will not be a burden to you all. More to will not send 4 pages, just 4 pages, that you can do. Because just problems, you are not writing anything in the story type, just you are solving it in mathematics, no? So you can complete that. So please complete the notes today after the class, or else by the next session. And one more thing I have told, once after the class, please go and check your midterm paper, whether you have written the details or not. Not only mathematics, I am talking about all the subjects. So please write down your details, and you have to, I guess you have to submit this week only, come and submit in the school. The dates are given according to that, come and submit the papers, okay. So that's it, we'll meet in the next class. Till then, please take care of yourself, drink lot of water because it's very hot now, and take care, listen to your parents, complete your work, okay. Bye-bye.